Hi everyone, I want to give you a rundown of week 2 of the distance learning. So go ahead, go to the class website, open up that Google slide, and the first thing that you're going to see is the check-in. I do like having you check in, just kind of seeing where you're at and things like that if you have any questions on the assignments. After the check-in, you're going to notice that it has notes, and they're not like super long. It's literally a 2-minute classroom. So honors, you have a separate one on top of the academic video. So if you're honors, go ahead and watch both videos and take notes on them. What I like about the video is it has like a little whiteboard and annotations and things like that, so you can go ahead and pause it as you go and take the notes. If you want to do it in your science notebook, go ahead. Otherwise, you can write it down anywhere for your reference. Then what's going to be due on the 24th, which is this Friday, is the homologous and analogous structure worksheet. So if you're honors, there is another page for you. So the academic, you have 2 pages, and then honors, you have 3. So that extra page, it says honors extension. Go ahead and do that. All the questions can be answered based on the worksheet. So even though you did take notes, the notes are kind of more background information, but all of the answers for the worksheet can be answered literally looking at the pictures in the worksheet. The worksheet is going to be on Google Classroom, so when you go ahead and open that link, it should take you to Google Classroom, and then make sure to hit that turn it in button, otherwise I can't grade it. At the end of the week, go ahead and do the week 2 check out, just so I can kind of see how you got along with all of the assignments for week 2. And then I have 2 extra little goodies at the bottom. So on that right hand side, I have a trivia one, and this one's about animals. And then I also have an optional sleep study. So I will go ahead and assign it on Google Classroom so that if you turn it in, I can read it, but it's an optional assignment if you want to kind of like take a look at your sleep and see your natural sleep patterns. The assignments are going to be due April 24th. So this is super important because the last time I went ahead and checked in with anybody that was absent, but for this one, it's due on Friday. You have until midnight to turn it in, but if you turn it in on Saturday or Sunday, you can still turn it in, but I will count it late. So just know that Friday is the deadline for this week's assignments. If you have any questions, as always, you can text me on Remind or email me and I'll get back to you.